Hello friends, today we're going to play with our animals. Furry animals, some fur animals, some are quirky animals. A penguin. It's a speedy penguin. Beep beep. A tiger. Tiger meat that eat animals. Nom 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 nom. They hunt. It's climbing. A baggy fox. Fox. What? Fox. What's got the roar? A flower. I'll show it. It's called sunflower. It isn't bad. It's just a toy. And the basket. A baby elephant. He was his mom died. We got budgies. Black panther. Black panthers and black cheetah. Wow. Cow. Wow. Moo. Makes milk. It's eat food. It makes milk. Wow. A big elephant. Sword. Longest animal. Giraffe. Yeah. Brown things on it. Dots. Spots. Wow. Drum. A giraffe. It's a giraffe. And he has spots. And they have this funny deer. Wow. It lives on the store edge. It walks and it stands on a cow. Wow. Moo. Moo. Cow moves. A cow. Moo. A wolf. A woo. A woo. A shark. Watch it pops out. It's a dog. I'm gonna suck the hammer. It's a shark. He passes it swimming. I'll eat that. Take one. Gobble, gobble. Yay! penguin, gobble, gobble. A piggy, a piece of piggy up. Bye bye. A piggy. Oh, that's quite a bye. A piggy. It's a boy. A boy. Boy. A doggy. An owl. My owl. Well, rabbit, pee-pee, rabbit. What do you say? What do you say? Everybody likes it. Everybody likes it. Sing it now. Sing it now. Pee rabbit. What do you say? What do you say? Everybody likes it. Everybody likes it. Sing it now. Sing it now. Becky, where are you? Wow. It's Gambra. It's a whale. It swims on water, and you can't see it, and you can see it. A cow. Moo. What? He's got. Oh. Oh, we need to go to the car. And this is the dog. It's destroying all these animals. It's very, very. He's taking these animals to their home. I see him taking these animals. Yeah. He's king of the world. All the show! It's a rhino. It's a crocodile. Something reptile. A reindeer. He's taking dog. Reindeer. Ladies! A cow. A doggy. Woof woof. Elephant. A lion. Roar. A doggy. Woof woof. A sheep. Ba. A monkey. Ooh ah. Bra. It's rhino. Oh yeah. A sloth. It's a sloth. It's a sloth. Elephant. Ostrich. Walrus. Look, it has teeth. It's gobble you up. Walrus has big teeth. See, he locked my finger up. Horsey. It's a cheetah. It's horsey. It's horsey. No. A gorilla. Brum, 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 brum. A zebra. A goat. A sheep. Mr. Farmer. Elephant. Lion. Polar bear. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.